Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some nice spring looks. We're going to be trying a few items out and we're going to be seeing what they look like. Since times are a bit different, most people still have to wear masks outside. So I'm going to be pairing those looks with a complimentary mask. So these are the masks that I got, and I got 10 in the pack. I'm going to link them in the description box so you can have a look. It comes in a 10 pack. It's from Shein as well. And you can pretty much, there's a few different colors. The only color that's pretty much missing is yellow. But other than that, it's got every single color that you could ever think of wearing. So let's open up the next item and see what that looks like. For those of you wondering why am I in a gown, why not? So next item is this. So there's this dress. This dress is a little risque. A lot risque, but it's kind of cute. It is cute, very cute. So there's this dress, and it looks like this. And it's got these really puffy sleeves. So this is what it looks like. She's a bit short and she's got a bit of a plunge. So we'll see. But this is what it looks like. Okay, the next item is this. I know you can probably see already from the bag. I really went all out, honestly. I really went out of my comfort zone with this. Okay, so the next item is this flowy pink flower girly. Everything spring, a lot of it. And this is what it looks like. Let me take a step back. But there's a catch with this, yeah. It's risque again because it's like, it's not high-low, it's like side. So this is actually the side of the dress. It actually ends up being like that, and it like dips. And it's got this really nice floral detail as well. The detail is nice, I would admit. It's quite a nice dress. So let's try that on and see what that looks like. Okay, next item is orange. I actually have a few orange items, surprisingly. I think I like orange. This is more of like a burnt orange. And it is this dress here. Really cute. And it is got like a little backless area. And you zip it up. And again, she's a little risque. I didn't actually know when I purchased this dress that it was gonna be like flappy like that, like the whole like a whole thigh is out there. But there's that. I think this is one that just pops on darker skin. Orange really pops on darker skin. So let's try that one out and see what it looks like. So the next item that I'll be trying out is another orange item. So now we're getting into the silks. I did silks as well. I'm not a very silky type of person. I'm not a big fan of silks for the, I don't know, I'm just not a fan of silks because I know that they take a lot of effort. And you know, in summer, silk, as soon as you sweat like a drop, you'll see it. It's so like delicate. It's such a sensitive baby girl. Like if you wear the wrong jewelry and it gets caught, there goes your dress. So silk can be, and it's got like a puff shoulder. It's got like the ruche, what do you call this? Sweetheart neckline. And it's a very nice dress. I think this is a very cute, like, church friendly, you know, Murora friendly type of dress. Okay, next item that I'll be trying out is another silk dress. Ooh, color. Your girl got some blue. What color is this? Turquoise? Nah, it's too dark to be turquoise. I don't know. Whatever color it is. Blue? It's coming out blue on my thing, so let's just call it blue. But it's silk. Has no zip, so you're gonna have to get this one over your head. But it's really, really nice, really simple, really elegant. Okay, the next item that I'll be trying out is heavy. She heavy one. Is this big old block thing. And this is definitely more like me. White. I love white stuff. Let me see if my camera's gonna pick you up. I know it kind of looks like a nurse's outfit or like a nun's outfit, but hear me out. I think it can be worn really nicely. So it's like a dress and then it's got like a flap here. And it's got some button details here. Really nice button details. And they're actually functioning buttons. And then it's got a clasp and another clasp and another clasp. And that's how you take off the dress. Really, really easy to take off this dress. Yeah, so let's try this on and see what it looks like. Okay, last item is actually a blazer, but I think it's kind of looking like a coat. Oh no. Wow. She's nice. Okay, this is actually like, this is a coat. It's not a blazer. I bought this thinking it's like, you remember the purple blazer that I got in the other one? I was thinking that it was like that, but this is actually like a very heavy blazer coat. And it's like, it looks straight pink here, but it's not just straight pink. It's like got fibers through it. Just know that it's not straight pink. And it's like cotton. It's not nylon or anything, like it's like cotton. So of course I have a coupon code for you guys. The coupon code will be here, so you can use that in case you want to purchase something. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you've liked the video. Comment down below what your favorite item was. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.